So what we're going to have to do is boot this up into security mode, safe boot mode or some debugging mode, and be able to install and reload and flash the original Android operating system on this one. So what we're going to do here is we're going to boot this up into safe mode here in a minute. But on my computer, I'm here installing some software, and here like ADB setup and the original factory OS operating system files for the Android. Yes, a whole bunch of times. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. All done. Now, okay. So now, we done did this ADB drivers. Now it's time to download a stock image file from Google. Here. So I've already downloaded it from Google. You just go and find your thing. I'm just going to go ahead and pull this up. And it's going to look like this. Factory image for your device. You scroll down through here. It tells you how to go about flashing and all that stuff. So if you have a Google Pixel XL3, this is what you use for Android 9. And then Pixel 3 for Android 9. Pixel 2 for Android 8. And then you just go on and on about it. If you want Android 8 or Android 9, and then you go here to say, okay, what we're going to be doing is picking a Google Nexus or so. We're going to format it to where they want it. We're going to go back to Android 4.1.2 on, say, Google Nexus 7. 2012. Let's see, Google Nexus Nakasi, okay, and then say 4.2. We're gonna go with 4.2, and I already got it downloaded. Now it downloads the stock image files from Google. So I've done that. So we opened up our zip folder. Okay, we're gonna go and make this folder here. We're just gonna extract it into this folder layout here. So we're gonna go extract to. Let's see here. We're going to just put this as a destination path on C drive. Let's see, all files. Extract to archive name folder under the selected folder. Let's see if that'll work. Okay, close that, we got this. Android SDK, platform tools folder, Nakaki, I don't even know how you pronounce this at this point. Okay, I gotta remove this charger cable. Okay, so we're gonna go here. Come on, man. There we go. Now, plug off, power off the Nexus and turn it back on, okay? The bootloader screen comes in. Now plug your device into a USB cable. We're about to debug this thing. Now plug your device in via USB cable. Now open this platform tools folder. CD. We're going to cut this and we're going to go CD / I guess this will take me to C. Dang, what the hell is going on? I have to stop this for a second. DIR /P C CD C /. There we go. That's what I want. CD DIR /P. And then we're going to go into CD android-sdk, enter, and then DIR /P, and then we go into CD platform -tools, and then DIR /P. And then we're in that folder. I would assume so. What in the world? That's weird. Folder. Okay, that threw me off. CD we gotta go to CD folder as DR/P. This is how long since I worked in command prompt. CD. I forgot how I did this. CD. Why don't I just do this? Why don't I just cut this and try this? CD. Next, folders. This is weird. It won't let me do it. Let's see. CD. And I go here. Okay, it opens that fine. Well, that's weird. Well, let's try folders. And then it says cannot find path. That's weird. I'm in this folder right here. This is where I'm at. Right here. It should be opening that. And it's not. Maybe. Oh, I put an S on it. Goofy. Oh, no, it still didn't work. Folders. Backslash. Let's try this, though. I'm tired of goofing around with this. Why is it in so many folders, man? No. Let's try this. Oh, yeah, baby. I'm in it. Okay, so this is what you gotta put. Okay. Alright, so now we're gonna have to redo all this. So, okay. Now type the following and enter each line. So we're gonna try this again. Copy this, copy that, copy erase file system. Erase that user data again. Looks like that worked. Now we got that. After all that's done, I hope this is going to work. Maybe I typed it in wrong last time. Okay, that looks like it went through. After that's done, type this. Okay, it's a different number. So you want to go with this number here. So we go up, and we're going to type in grouper dash 3.41. I think that'll work. Yeah, it looks like it's writing bootloader. Alright. And then we're going to type in fast reboot bootloader dash bootloader. We're going to type that in. Looks like that finished, and I saw a flicker on my screen. Oh, I missed that on my camera, so. Alright, we're going to see that. We're going to type that again here. Fast booter reboot loader. Okay. And hit enter. That did something. Okay. And type fastboot dash W update image dash nakasi .zip and then press enter. Hopefully this will work. Type fastboot. After that is done, Image dash Akasi dash. Okay, here it is right here. So we're gonna go JZ0 54K dot zip. Looks like it did something. That's weird. Well, that's kind of weird, huh? Okay. I don't know what's all that goofy looking stuff. Maybe. Now type in OEM lock. Type fastboot OEM lock. OEM lock. Okay, that didn't. I don't know. That's kind of weird. Let's see. That's the OS. Okay. So we're gonna go up twice. We're going to rename this. Something got miscalibrated here on this last batch. So we're going to go here. And we're going to go... That didn't work. Okay, that didn't work on this one. There's something going. Let's see. That's weird. It's supposed to have worked. Okay, well let's try this. Fastboot. Fastboot OEM unlock. So we're going to start over. We're going to go fast erase boot again. I'm going to say erase cache. I'm going to say erase card. Oh, I see what happened. I put in type. Goofy. Bootloader's already unlocked. Copy this. Fastboot, flash bootloader, boot. No, we're going to go with 3.41. 41 again. Let's try that. Finish that. Fast. Alright, let's try this. And then fastboot. We'll copy this and we're going to relabel this to JZO 54K. Okay. Alright, does not contain boot sig, recovery sig. Why is that? Okay, there we go. We got something now. Sweet. Awesome sauce. Let's see here. Sending system information, I think. 446,268 kilobits. Or kilobits. I think it's kilobytes. Okay. Now the next thing we do is when the device reboots the power of the Nexus machine and turn it back on by holding down the volume and power buttons. Okay, it hasn't rebooted yet. Oh, come on, man. I don't see nothing on here. Let's see, it's writing system, so it's working. So it is flashing the firmware now on here. Well, the operating system anyway. If it's that easy, I probably could do Linux and stuff on these older machines and see what it does. User data, created file system. Created file system, yes. Sending user data. 137,526 kilobytes. From my recollection, yeah. From my recollection, I think that's quite very well possible. We need to get on that ASAP. Yeah. Finished? Finished? Is it going to work? Is it going to work? Come on, man. And see, we got ourselves now a nice, fixed, restored tablet that could not be formatted till just now. So that'll be it today. Hope you learned something. Now you know. Pass it on. Let's see. Well, let's make sure this thing boots up, though. Alright. Well, the person I had to fix this for ought to be very happy now. Because they wanted it to put some PDF files on. So, yeah. Let's see. Yep, it looks like it come up on my computer. Sweet! Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hope you learned something.